Hello. In the series of costing theory, today we are entering in the chapter number 1. That is, we can call it as a basics of costing, where we'll go through the concepts like cost center, cost unit, cost accounting, cost management accounting, and so many things, which are purely the basic things we can say. So let's start with the chapter number 1, Introduction to Cost and Management Accounting. Let's see what are the contents. Now this video will contain maybe 8 to 12 different short notes. So take it as a short note. I will take a pause after every short note and we'll move forward. So let's start with the basic concepts like what is cost, what is costing, what is cost accounting and all that. Cost basically is an expenditure to manufacture the product or for giving the service. So when a person is manufacturing the product, he has to pay the amount like material, labor, and indirect expense like overheads, factory overheads, etc. As well as when he gives the service, he has to pay some amount. So total of all these expenses is called as cost. This cost can be actual, that means you have paid it, or it can be notional also. Notional means like notional rent. When I'm using my own premises for my business, so I should ideally calculate the notional rate. So cost is a total of actual and notional expenses. Costing. Costing is defined as the technique and process of ascertaining the cost. What is the process? How do you calculate the cost? That is called as costing. That means preparation of a cost sheet is costing. So what CIMA says, an organization's costing system is the foundation of internal financial information system for managers. It provides the information that management needs to plan, control the organization's activities and to take the decisions about the future. So finding out the cost and helping for the decision making. So costing is a technique and process to find out the cost. Preparation of a cost sheet, for example. Cost accounting, the process of accounting for cost, how to record this cost. For example, when we say it's a normal cost, then what to do when it is abnormal cost, where it will be debited. So actual accounting of this cost is called as cost accounting, while cost accountancy is the application of costing and cost accounting principles, methods and technique to take the decisions. So here we apply that technique. Whatever data we ascertain from costing and cost accounting, we analyze it in detail. We start analyzing it is cost accountancy. So cost accountancy is going in detail, going in depth of the data which is available. And management accounting is using that data for taking the decisions. For example, variance analysis. We find out the variance and its reasons also, and on that basis we take the decision. So that is cost management accounting. And the next concept is cost management, applying the cost and taking the decisions and making its analysis also. After taking the decisions, we analyze it in total. That is cost management. So we have seen in this short note or in this first video, 6 different concepts. What is cost, costing, cost accounting, cost accountancy, management accounting, and cost management. So these are the different concepts we have seen in this first very small short note video.